Hi guys, we are going to tackle a very tricky triangle right here. This triangle's got some interesting things happening. Basically, it's got these little two lines. See those? They mean equidistant, equi-length, whatever you want to call it. That distance is equivalent to that distance there. And when that happens in a triangle, it means it's called a, get ready for this word, isosceles. It's an isosceles triangle. Now, there are some assumptions for isosceles triangles because if the two lengths are equivalent or equidistant, it also means that the base angles are also equal. And when they're equal, it's kind of easy to find the missing pronumerals. Down here, we're missing the x. How do we find it? Well, x is a base angle. 75 is also a base angle. That means if it's an isosceles triangle, that the base angles are what? I said it before. They are equal, exactly the same. So let's write that out. That means that x equals 75. So x is 75. This side is 75. Why? Because base angles of an isosceles triangle. So we know what that is down there. So how do we find the other missing pronumeral up the top called y? Right up here. How do we find it? Well, we know these two, and we don't know that, so we're going to form an equation. How are we going to do it? We're going to use the equation because we know all angles add up to 180 in a triangle. So let's do that all together. So total of all angles, angle sum of any triangle, regardless of isosceles or equilateral or scalene, they're always what? 180 degrees. Let's write in the missing pronumeral. We have y. Let's use blue. Y plus. Now, we have these two guys here, and they're both each 75. So we have 75 over here, and we also have the other 75 right there. Okay, let's check and point. Make sure we copy it and transcribe correctly. We have the 180 for the total angle sum of a triangle. We have 75 right there, base angle, another 75 base angle here, and y, the missing pronumeral, right up here. Let's solve this equation. So we have y plus 75 is 150. And that equals the angle sum of triangle. Let's make y by itself by taking away 150 from both sides. So let's do that. So take away 150, take away 150. Therefore, we can bring down the lonely y right here. Y equals 180 minus 150 gives you a grand total. What's left is 30 degrees. And that is the missing angle right up there.